It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500HD Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the 2500. Our driver's door has the programmable memory seat, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with cup holders, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting controls. WeatherTech all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with Denali embroidering in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above are the power sunroof buttons, the rear window slider button, and the programmable garage door opener. We also have some lighting controls and a place to put your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next is GMC's infotainment center. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, some power plug-ins, USB ports, and a power plug-in. On top of our center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille, blacked out GMC emblems, chrome tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 6-liter V8 engine under the hood, power side mirrors, front and rear tinted windows, running boards down below, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has our easy lift and lower tailgate. In the box of the truck, we've got a spray-in box liner and some cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in and some storage. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.